subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The BlackBerry brand is enjoying its new lease of life under TCL Technology ownership. Last year we saw the rebirth of the smartphone with QWERTY keyboards with the arrival of BlackBerry KEYone. After its market performance was dubbed as mission accomplished, the device is getting a successor. According to the leaked image from the State Intellectual Property Office of China, the new phone will be called BlackBerry Athena and will have a dual camera on its back. The BlackBerry Athena looks to follow on the formula of KEYone. Its dual camera setup paired with dual LED flash will be a first for BlackBerry devices. The convenience key now makes it way in the middle of the right side instead of being on the left like on the KEYone. The front seems to have a taller display from the previous 3:2 panel, but initial calculation led to 16:10. The QWERTY keyboard is below and pretty straightforward. The bottom will house the grille speaker and the USB Type-C charging port, while the 3.5mm jack is on the top. There will be only one selfie camera on the front, while the back appears to be plastic, chamfered from top to bottom with the BlackBerry logo. So what do you guys think of the BlackBerry Athena? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.